Alright, this is my 1930 John Deere Model E 1.5 horse, rated for 600 RPM. Let's start it up. For those of you that don't know what this engine is, this is a 1/6 scale John Deere made by ERTL. This one does have a battery operated sound effect, but I don't have it connected at this point. I'm hoping to fix it. This is my second video of this engine. This time I'm going to actually show you what makes this engine work. It's got a 24,000 RPM motor on it, 9-volt motor, and rubber band going around the drive pulley. And everything runs off of my 6-volt Energizer battery. And the only reason I can do that is because of the fact that this battery has a lot more cranking amps to turn the engine over, because I mean, when it's cold, this thing won't run. I'm gonna try and get the sound online. We'll see what happens.